Have you ever wanted to create something extraordinary in your life, but felt like it was out of reach or impossible? What if you could manifest your desires simply by using the power of gratitude and reprogramming your subconscious mind? Hello friends, welcome to your own channel. If you're ready to take control of your life and manifest your dreams into reality, you're in the right place. Here, we share the timeless teachings of Neville Goddard on the art of manifestation and help you apply them in your daily life. Today in this video, we will explore how to manifest a positive life by using strategies such as visualization, affirmations, positive thinking, and the law of attraction. We'll also discuss the relationship between reality creation and spirituality and how to program your mind for personal growth. By the end of this video, you will have the tools and knowledge to manifest your dreams and live the life you've always wanted. Have you ever wondered why reality creation and spirituality are so intertwined? It's because we have the power to create our realities through our thoughts, beliefs, and actions. We can manifest whatever we desire in life as long as we have the right mindset. But before you embark on a journey of manifestation, it's important to understand how reality creation works and what steps need to be taken in order to achieve success. At the core of reality creation is the control of one's own mind. If we grow up with limiting beliefs or negative experiences that shape our view of life, reprogramming our subconscious minds is essential for creating what we want in life. This requires discarding old beliefs and installing empowering ones, focusing on gratitude for all that you already have, and repeating positive statements daily until they become cemented into your subconscious mind. Visualization techniques such as those taught by Neville Goddard can also be used to focus energy towards a desired outcome. Combine this with affirmations such as, "I am capable" or "I am worthy" each day until they become an automatic part of your thought process. Gratitude is key here. Practicing gratitude each day helps shift perspective from feeling bad about what's wrong in your life to focusing on what is going right, which will then lead us closer to manifesting our desires. Having gratitude also fosters confidence that inspires movement towards goals, further helping us manifest desired outcomes from the universe through the law of attraction. Through controlling one's own mind by reprogramming it with empowering beliefs and practicing gratitude every day, reality creation becomes easy when done correctly. Do you want to bring more success and abundance into your life? We all do, but sometimes it can be difficult to manifest our desires. The good news is that we can program our own minds like algorithms, so it is important to focus on positive emotions such as gratitude and happiness. According to Neville Goddard, the law of assumption states that whatever we assume will come true. So if we assume the best outcomes for ourselves, then they will come true. Achieving goals entails believing in ourselves and knowing that we are worthy of those goals. To foster a strong self-concept, we must love and accept ourselves just the way we are. Surrounding ourselves with confident people who don't search for validation from others will be beneficial to personal growth. Manifesting dreams requires retraining the mind to believe in oneself while also having clarity about one's desired goals. Visualization is key here. Imagining specifics helps bring desired results more quickly because it provides a clear mental image of what one wants in life. Furthermore, controlling our feelings means disciplining ourselves to only imagine and entertain desirable states of being. This helps when sending ideas into the subconscious mind, since positive energy attracts positive outcomes. The power of imagination should not be underestimated. With practice and dedication, anyone can reprogram their subconscious mind and manifest their desires. Manifesting a positive life involves developing emotional control and manifesting your dream life using gratitude and reprogramming your subconscious mind. At Neville Goddard, we produce inspirational and motivational videos based on his teachings, believing they can assist you on your journey to manifesting a positive life. Being in control of your emotions is crucial for a fulfilling and happy life. There are various tools that can help you achieve an emotional state conducive to manifestation, such as visualization, affirmations, meditation, scripting, or any other method that resonates with you. The goal is to connect with this feeling and embody it as fully as possible. This will raise your vibration and enable you to effortlessly attract what you desire into your life. To successfully manifest, it is important to address your beliefs and self-concept. Watching uplifting videos can further enhance the energy within you, building towards success in all areas of life through the law of attraction. Neville Goddard's teachings have empowered countless individuals worldwide to understand the power of their thoughts in manifesting reality. Visualization, affirmations, and meditation scripts are essential tools for creating abundance in any aspect of life. When combined with gratitude towards yourself and others, reaching higher levels of consciousness becomes easier. In these elevated states, only positive vibrations exist, making manifestation effortless and free from struggle. If you desire positive change within yourself or others, begin practicing these techniques today. So friends, in conclusion, we summarize the learnings from this video. The power of gratitude and reprogramming your subconscious mind can help you manifest your desires. Controlling one's own mind makes reality creation easy when done correctly. Visualization techniques, like those taught by Neville Goddard, can also focus energy towards desired outcomes with affirmations and positive thinking. Learning to cultivate emotional control through visualization, affirmations, and meditation scripting is key to manifesting a positive life. We hope this video has inspired you on your journey to create the life you've always wanted. If you're ready to take the next step in manifesting your dreams, check out our inspirational and motivational videos based on Neville Goddard's teachings. Watch now and begin crafting a new reality for yourself, one filled with love, joy, abundance, peace, and prosperity. Thanks for watching this video till the end. If you enjoyed this video, please show your support by liking it and sharing it with your friends. Please also leave a comment to let us know what you thought. God bless you all.